Hi, Yusuf Mo. I'm studying Sport Level 3 BTEC at Cardiff and Vale College. I didn't really like school when I was there, so coming here was more like a fresh start. I chose this course because I was aware of the great facilities here, the excellent teaching, and it gave me a chance to pick something that I wanted to do in terms of trying to get further in my sports career. The best parts of the course, I would say, are the practical elements, but also the theory side of it as well. It helps me with my team, but also the college team as well. It helps me improve. I would say the best highlight of my time here was last year when I won the Student Athlete Award. I felt a great sense of achievement. If you're looking at any college courses, I would say come to Cardiff and Vale, as it's just the best college to come to. I would say come here, yeah, 100%.